Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, Twenty, a project with the ambitious goal of building a modern open source alternative to Salesforce. It's gaining massive attention for its community-driven approach to creating a flexible and powerful CRM. We'll explore how it plans to challenge the industry giants. What if you didn't have to rent your own customer data? What if the most valuable asset in your business software was something you actually owned? A project on GitHub is challenging the multi-billion-dollar CRM industry with that very question. It proposes a world where you truly own your platform and your data. This project is called Twenty, from the organization 20HQ. It's designed to be a modern, open-source alternative to giants like Salesforce, and the community response has been huge. The project has racked up over 40,000 stars on GitHub, gaining hundreds of new supporters every day. That kind of traction signals a real hunger for change in the customer relationship management space, making Twenty a project worth a closer look. With traditional CRM systems, you're often stuck with a difficult choice. They're powerful, sure, but they come with high licensing fees, outdated user interfaces, and one critical issue: vendor lock-in. Your customer data effectively becomes a hostage, making it incredibly expensive and complicated to switch providers. Before projects like Twenty, your options were limited. You either paid the high price or you took on the massive effort of building a custom solution from scratch. The unique angle from Twenty is that it combines the power of open source with a user experience inspired by modern tools like Notion and Linear, offering a much-needed fresh start. At its core, Twenty is built on a philosophy of modern, unified development. The entire project is housed in a monorepo managed by a tool called NX. Think of Nix as a master blueprint for a complex machine, making sure all the parts, from the front end to the back end, fit together perfectly and can be updated efficiently. The architecture itself is a classic three-tier system. The front end is a responsive React application. The back end, built with the Nest.js framework, handles all the business logic. This layer is smart, offloading heavy tasks like sending automated emails to a background queue system called BullMQ. This ensures the user interface always stays fast and responsive. Finally, the data layer uses a reliable PostgreSQL database. A key technical decision was to use TypeScript across the full stack, which enforces code consistency and cuts down on bugs. Another smart choice is Jotai, for state management on the front end, a lightweight approach that keeps the application nimble and easier to maintain. So, who is this for? The primary users are small to medium-sized businesses that want to escape expensive commercial CRM licenses. By self-hosting Twenty, they gain full control over their customer data. Sales and operations teams love its modern, Notion-like interface for managing leads and tasks. And for developers, Twenty is a highly customizable foundation. They can use it to integrate with existing systems or even build their own proprietary features on top of it. Getting started is straightforward for anyone with technical skills, thanks to clear documentation for self-hosting with Docker, a popular platform that packages software into standardized units. But despite its promise, Twenty isn't without its challenges. That monorepo structure, while efficient for the core team, can have a steep learning curve for new open-source contributors. The system's flexibility is a double-edged sword. Allowing custom data fields could lead to database performance bottlenecks if it isn't managed carefully at a large scale. And as the platform grows, scaling that single PostgreSQL database will require sophisticated engineering. These points show that while the architecture is powerful, it also introduces its own set of long-term technical hurdles to overcome. Twenty is more than just another CRM. It represents a fundamental shift towards open, community-driven enterprise software. A shift that prioritizes data sovereignty and user experience above all else. It matters because it offers a credible, modern alternative in a market that has long been dominated by expensive, closed-source giants.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.